Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm coming to you with a house tour. Now my house is a 2-bedroom, but I'm not giving you a full house tour. I'm just gonna give you my living room and bedroom house tour. Now if you like this video, please show me some love by subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Give me some sweet comments down below and also like this video. So let's get straight to the video. As soon as you get into my house, this is what you see. You meet these black shears and white shears, and then you have there my carpet, my doormat, and then next to the door you meet this artificial plant. I love this plant. Yeah, then next to it you have this big couch, my 3-seater couch. Now I love this couch because of how big it is. It's very spacious, so most of the time when I have visitors, they actually love to use it as a bed. Somebody could actually sit on it, and as you can see, it's directly facing the TV. So on those days when I just want to sit back and watch, I sit on this couch. And then there's also this throw shawl, which is very warm, so for those nights you want to get cozy when watching, I use them. Yeah, then next to the door on the other hand, I have my window, very large window that brings in natural light. Then these are my curtains. I love color orange. If you look at my house, well, you can see that I have orange carpet, and also I just got this orange curtains to blend in that color. And then I have the white shears. Then on this side, this I have my 2-seater. On the 2-seater, I have this throw pillow and some knotted pillows. So guys, just to help me out, please, if you know how to clean these the knotted pillows, then please let me know how to clean them. I don't know how to, but I need to clean them ASAP. Then on this other side of the wall, I have my TV. My TV is a 40-inch, and then I also have that system. In this corner, I have this lampshade which I was gifted by someone really special, and I love this lampshade. Now I have this bedside table which is meant for my bedroom, but because I didn't have somewhere to place my lampshade, so I just took this one. They come as a pair, so I took this one and placed this lampshade on it from my bedroom. And then next I have this entertainment wall, I mean. So here's my small TV stand, which I love so much. I got this TV stand from Craft Central Africa on IG. I think that's how they call themselves, and I love it. It's in white. And then on top of it, this is how I've accessorized it. So on top of it, I have these 2 geometrical flower vases in gold, and then I have these beautiful flowers which I got from Janice something. Then yeah, that's my picture which I got from Photozuri. And then I also have these yarn balls, the gray, yellow and orange yarn balls, which I made, by the way. I have a video on how to make them. Then down here I have these Kentucky coasters which I got from my mom in love, so thank you, mama. And then I have this beautiful,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. day. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that.
I love this shape. Sorry, I love this shape. And then I have this diffuser, the reed diffuser. Right now the refill is over, but I'm gonna get some soon. And then I've just placed that deco tray on top of my poof, which came with the seats. So that's pretty much my living room house tour. So thank you guys. So we move on to the bedroom. And yeah, I forgot to show you my picture. This is a picture of me. now we go to the bedroom. So my house is a 2-bedroom. This is the second bedroom. You're not gonna get in there. So this is my master bedroom. So this is what you see when you get into my bedroom. You have that window, and on this side I'm using the turquoise blue curtains. Yeah, so by the way, our house does not have curtain rods, so I had to make my curtains in a way to fit this kind of windows. Yeah, so those are my curtains. And then up here, kwa light, this is how my light looks like. So I also made this. I also have on my channel, I have a video on how to make this. You can actually make these yourself, so, and they're very, very beautiful. So mine is in gray. You can make them in different colors, which I love. It just gives the house some, some something. Yeah. And then on this side of the bed, I have this small mirror, which I got in 3 some time back or a while back, but sahi nimebaki tu na hii moja. And then my bed is a metal bed, by the way. So this is my bed. On the bed I have some pillows, these 2 big white pillows, and then I have the small 2 pillows reading love, which also got from Janice. Thank you, Janice. Janice sells some really nice house deco items affordably. And then I also have the LED snuggle, which this one I didn't get from her. This I got from House Deco 254, if I'm not wrong. And then I have those 2 knot pillows in turquoise green. I got them in that color to match my curtains. And so one thing, when you look at this, my bedroom, you'll realize that I don't have any how do you call it, I don't have a closet here. Yeah, so the closet is found in the second bedroom. So I don't know, this is so weird. I think the second bedroom was the one that was meant to be a master bedroom, but then now when you try fitting the bed, my bed is a 4x6, the bed does not fit in the second bedroom. So I put my bed in this bedroom. So my clothes are in the other bedroom, but my bed is here. It's, like, it's hard, but nowadays I'm used to it. And then here goes the other side, bedside table. I told you the other one was in the sitting room. So on this bedside table, I have my lampshade, which I also got from Babe. Got me this lampshade. It's in color green, and then it has some colored light. So when you put it on, it brings some ambience in the bedroom, which I love so much. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. And then down there I have my oil, Zanivia, etc. So just watch. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Show me some love. I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you till now. Bye bye guys, see you later.